Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Canon Vlog is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly cameras on the market for vloggers of all levels, offering a perfect blend of portability, image quality, and advanced features that will seamlessly elevate your video production workflow, from casual daily vlogs to more professional-looking content, making it an ideal tool for anyone looking to take their vlogging game to the next level. Number 5. Sony ZV-1 camera. It's the ultimate camera for content creators. With its incredible features, you'll capture stunning videos and photos with ease. It boasts 4K HDR video recording, ensuring your footage looks vibrant and professional. Capture every detail with exceptional clarity. The 20.1 MP stacked back illuminated 1-inch XMR RS CMOS sensor with drone delivers exceptional image quality, even in low light. Its large aperture 24 to 70 mm f1.8-2.8 size Vario Sonor T lens provides stunning image quality and beautiful background bokeh. It features fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time tracking, keeping your subjects in sharp focus. The side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen tilts up and down, making it perfect for composing those perfect selfie shots. It allows you to quickly switch between two modes of defocused background bokeh, adding a professional touch to your videos. The product showcase setting smoothly transitions focus from your face to the object you're showcasing. Its automatic exposure, AE, tracks faces, ensuring they're always well lit. Capture great sound with its forward-directional onboard microphone and detachable windscreen. Expand your audio options with the 3.5mm mic jack and MI shoe. What we like? It boasts a large sensor and impressive autofocus system, ensuring sharp images even in challenging conditions. Its versatile lens is perfect for various shooting scenarios. If you need high-quality images and reliable autofocus, this is the one for you. Number 4. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. This is the Sony ZV-1F, designed for content creators and vloggers. It's packed with features to help you capture stunning videos. It features an ultra-wide 20mm lens, perfect for capturing expansive scenes, even from arm's length. Get everything in the frame with ease. The large 1-inch sensor and bright f2 lens ensures beautiful video quality even in low light conditions. Enjoy stunning background defocusing too. It boasts advanced IAF and autofocus tracking technology, keeping your subject in sharp focus. Say goodbye to blurry videos. The side-articulating touchscreen LCD makes it easy to compose selfie shots and monitor your recordings. Framing your shots has never been easier. It includes a high-quality directional 3-capsule microphone and a windscreen accessory for crystal-clear audio. Capture your voice with amazing clarity. What we like? This camera features an ultra-wide lens, ideal for capturing expansive scenes. It also excels at creating a beautiful background blur, bokeh. The flip-out screen makes selfies a breeze. If you prioritize wide shots and a shallow depth of field, this camera is perfect for you. What people say. The 20.1 MP sensor captures stunning images and smooth 4K video. The flip-out touchscreen is a fantastic feature for framing shots while I'm in front of the camera, making it super user-friendly for solo filming. Video on this is substantially better than video from the front-facing camera on my phone. The audio from the built-in mics are better than the iPhones, meaning I don't need to use a lavalier or other microphone for really fantastic audio. Number 3. Canon EOS R50 Kit. It boasts a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor. This ensures stunning image clarity and incredible detail in every shot. Capture every moment with its high-speed continuous shooting. It shoots up to 12 frames per second with electronic first curtain shutter and up to 15 frames per second with electronic shutter. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 focuses on virtually the entire frame. It even automatically detects and tracks people, animals, and vehicles. With its advanced A+ assist, it excels even in challenging lighting conditions. Take amazing photos, even at night or in backlit scenes. Record stunning 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. It also offers full HD high frame rate recording at up to 120 frames per second for incredible slow motion effects. Compose and shoot from any angle with its vari-angle touchscreen and high-resolution electronic viewfinder. It makes framing your shots effortless. Stay connected with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Easily transfer your photos and videos wirelessly using the Canon Camera Connect app. What we like? It offers high-speed continuous shooting and exceptional 4K video recording capabilities. The advanced autofocus system ensures your subjects stay in sharp focus. If you need a camera that can keep up with fast-paced action, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera uses AI for the autofocus and automatically blurs the background and focuses on subjects in your frame. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera is a game-changer for content creators. This compact and lightweight camera packs a punch with its 24.2 MP sensor and Digic X image processor, delivering stunning image quality and vibrant 4K video. The image quality is fantastic, with sharp details and vibrant colors that really pop. I love how the camera handles low-light situations, producing clear and crisp images even in dim environments. The autofocus is fast and accurate, making it easy to capture the perfect shot, whether I'm shooting portraits or landscapes. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. It's here. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a powerhouse in your hands, combining stunning image quality with incredible versatility. With a 20.1 megapixel 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, it captures breathtaking photos and videos with incredible detail and clarity. Experience the flexibility of a 4.2x optical zoom lens, 24 to 100 mm f1.8 to 2.8, allowing you to get closer to the action without sacrificing image quality. Optical image stabilization ensures sharp, steady shots. It shoots incredible 4K 30p and FHD 120p video, making it perfect for capturing all your precious moments in stunning detail. Transform it into a high-quality webcam using the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, Mac and Windows, or a clean HDMI output. It's perfect for streaming and video conferencing. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. It's more than just a camera, it's your creative partner, ready to capture your world in stunning detail. What we like? This compact camera is incredibly versatile, easily transforming into a high-quality webcam. It also offers a powerful zoom lens. If you value portability and webcam functionality, this is a great option. What people say. 4K up to 10 minutes continuous, until you get the overheat symbol, after which you can switch down to 1080p. I use this for vlogging. 120 FPS slow motion, as well as 60 frames per second, which to be honest is brilliant. Microphone input for getting clean audio when vlogging. Number 1. Canon EOS R10 Creator Kit. Get ready to experience the Canon EOS R10 Creator Kit. It includes everything you need to start creating stunning videos and photos. This camera boasts a powerful 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. It delivers breathtaking resolution, day or night, ensuring your content always looks its best. It's incredibly portable. Its compact size and comfortable grip make it perfect for shooting on the go, whether you're vlogging or capturing life's moments. Never miss a moment with its high-speed continuous shooting. It captures action at up to 15 frames per second mechanically, or 30 frames per second electronically, ensuring you get the perfect shot. It features advanced autofocus with impressive subject detection. This keeps your subjects in sharp focus, even when they're moving quickly. It's optimized for video. Records stunning 4K footage with movie servo AF and subject tracking, making it easy to get professional results. It's compatible with a wide range of Canon lenses. This allows you to explore your creativity and capture any shot you can imagine. What we like? It comes with everything you need to start vlogging right away, including a microphone and tripod. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for on-the-go content creation. If you're a beginner vlogger or need a complete kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The Canon EOS R10 is an exceptional camera that delivers professional quality results in a compact and lightweight design. The image quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details, thanks to its impressive 24.2 MP sensor and advanced Digic X processor. The autofocus system is a game-changer, with fast and accurate subject tracking, making it perfect for action shots, wildlife, or any fast-moving subjects. The camera's versatility is another big plus. It performs equally well for stills and video, offering 4K recording with minimal crop and smooth slow-motion options. The built-in features like creative filters and shooting modes make it easy to experiment and get creative, even for beginners. The ergonomic design and intuitive touchscreen interface make it a pleasure to use, and the electronic viewfinder is clear and responsive. Excellent ergonomics, car subject detect for autofocus, best autofocus I have ever used. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.